Hello everyone, my name is Suhail. I am planning to make a Power BI series. So whatever I have learned, I would like to share. So if you like this video and find it useful, please like and leave some comments. So let's get started. So today I have chosen a topic called DAX calculations. So DAX is basically a data analysis expression. So in DAX calculation there are various functions. So we will start with the simple ones, which is calculated column and measures. So what is calculated column? So when you want to run calculations at row level, so on the right hand side you see there is one Excel table which says sales, quantity, discounts and profit. So suppose if we want to calculate incentive on the basis of sales, then then we can use the function of calculated column. And what calculated column will do, it will add one new column and the calculation will be shown as per row wise. So all the row calculation will be shown in the column and we can have the result. And what does measure means? So when you want to run aggregated calculation on many rows, so there are many rows. So suppose I want to have the total sale, sum of total sale. I want to know what is the total sale. So here we can use the measure. So if suppose if we use the total sale with the help of calculated column, then what it will do, it will add the total sale and mention the result in each row which we not required. So how it looks, let us see in Power BI. So as you can see, under the field I have four tables. So four tables which I will at the Excel file which I will attach with this video. So let us go to the data and select the transaction. Okay, so here we can see sales. So now we want to know the incentive. We want to give the incentive, say 1%. So 1% of sale. So how we can use calculated column? So we can simply right click and select the new column. So program will work, and in the bar, in the calculation bar, it will show. So here we want to give name to our column, so we can name it as incentives, as we are calculating the incentives. So for incentive, we discussed that we want to calculate 1%. So sales, so sales s- so sales is comes under transaction table. So we will select the transaction, this table, and then multiply. What is 1%? 1% would be 0.01 point into 0.01, and we will simply hit enter, and the program will calculate the function and we will get the results. So you can see the 1% of sale has been calculated row wise and new column is generated. So like earlier we were discussing, if we calculate the total sale and with the help of calculated column, how it will look. So let us have one more column. So we can give a new calculated column, and we let us let us give it a name as total sale. So to how we calculate total sale? So simply we use sum function. Sum of, we want sum of total sale. So sale is in which table? Transaction table. So we will mention sale and transactions, it will automatically come. So bracket close and enter. So now you see what program will do. So program has calculated all the sale, total sale, and it has mentioned in each row, if you see, which is not required. We do not want to see total sale in each row. So for that we use always we use measure, where we want to know, we calculate the single value, the aggregated value. So we will simply click right click and delete this column. And now we will calculate measure, and for measure also just we need to do right click and click on new measure. So we can name it as a total sale, and again we will use the sum function, sum of sale, which is in transaction table. So bracket close and hit enter. So now if you see, the column is not generated. So always remember, whenever we create measure, it will never show in the table, but it will always show in the fields column. So you, if you see on the right hand side, last item is shown as a measure, which is total sale. So when we are using visualization, we can use this, and the total value will be shown. So how calculated column will look? It will look like this. This is how the calculated column will look. So this is how we differ calculated column and measure. So I hope you all liked the this video, and happy learning and take care. Thank you.